We stopped the programming for an important announcement. We got an important message from the SCP Foundation team. SCP-096 Shy Guy broke out of the Foundation, and is roaming free in New York. We don't know exactly where Shy Guy is. This is not a test. We ask you to stay calm and to adhere to the following rules. Stay calm. Close all doors and windows. Cover all the windows that you cannot see through. If you hear crying, call 911 immediately, and hide in the basement. If Shy Guy is around you, don't look him in the face. Oh shit. He is here.